Well, welcome to this Vintage Farmhouse Antiques tour of Gardeners Cottage here in Blakeney. We're on the coast of North Norfolk this morning, and we're going to give you a guided tour of this 5-bedroom holiday cottage that is in the heart of Blakeney. It's filled with vintage and antiques, pictures, paintings and period pieces of china. So let's go inside and give you a tour of what guests can expect when you come and stay here at Gardeners Cottage. Enter Gardeners through the front door here and are greeted by the stairs making their way up to the first floor, but we're going to concentrate on a tour of the downstairs of this cottage first off. So I'm going to make my way down this short little corridor and turn left into what is the principal entertaining room here at Gardeners. A massive, I think 35-foot long combined kitchen and entertaining space. We've tried to put everything into this kitchen area that you would possibly want on a week or fortnight stay here in Blakeney. You've got fridges, 2 fridges actually. If you look in the far corner there, you've got a massive great American style Aga fridge freezer and the Smeg freezer and fridge by the entrance to this room. In the central island you've got twin butler sinks and a dishwasher, and then tucked on the back wall that fantastic 4-oven cream night storage Aga that really gives this house its heart and warms this entire room beautifully. Centerpiece of this grand entertaining room is this massive long antique pine top table, plank top table really to be precise. Shabby chic design with these wheel back chairs in a variety of painted colours. And then coming off this room you've got a small seating and entertaining area. It's a great room to entertain people in and a social space for families wanting to spend time together in Blakeney. And then this is a twin aspect, one onto the garden through these double French doors that give light right the way through the back end of this house. We're going through into that little snug area in the far corner in just 1 minute, but on this aspect you've got 2 French windows that can be opened onto the garden, and then if I rotate around you'll see the 3rd French door leading out into this lovely little secluded and lushly planted courtyard area, which just gets the evening light so beautifully here in Blakeney. Flowering roses, wisteria, we've got lemon verbena, bay, a lovely little shady courtyard. When it's really stinking hot here on the coast of North Norfolk, you can really enjoy evenings out there. There's outside lighting provided as well, with the stone walls behind, a real lovely secluded little courtyard. For your 4-legged friends as well, this also gives, for smaller dogs or puppies, a nice little area in which you can pop your dogs out and be absolutely secure in the knowledge that they can't go anywhere, particularly last thing at night after dark. That's very convenient. Let's talk a little bit more about this 4-oven Aga, which is your main cooking appliance while you're here in the cottage. There is a microwave as well, but we encourage guests who aren't used to Agas to just have a look at the little DVD video guide that we've provided, and there is a book on how to cook on an Aga, but it is a little bit of a skill that, so ideally if you come with some pre-existing Aga knowledge, that's going to help you during your stay. Just look at the blue and white china we've got around this cottage for guests to enjoy. Some really nice 20th century pieces and some earlier late 19th century bits as well. I've also got the china display cabinet here with some crystal champagnes, some champagne goblets and some period pieces again of blue and white. Our theme here is really blue and white china. Seems to fit very nice with the coastal theme. Inside that cabinet is a large flat screen TV and DVD player, and then also provided for you while you are here are tea and coffee making facilities, including twin options on a pod and a ground coffee DeLonghi coffee maker, which we hope you will enjoy using for coffee fans while you're here. More period blue and white for you to enjoy here. Whole range of different designs. Willow, Seaforth, Blue Denmark, the whole range. Enjoy your china while you're here. We hope you do. And it brings pleasurable memories to you entertaining family and friends in this space. Let's make our way through now to the other little secondary area. This we refer to as the Snug. This has had a little bit of a makeover over the last year, just to try and make it more comfortable and functional for guests. Twin aspect again, with some beautiful views over some of the period cottages in Blakeney. There's the Thatched Cottage just between Back Lane on Coronation Lane. And this is an east-facing window, so it gets plenty of morning sunshine. We've themed this room on a floral theme, and we're in the process of decorating it with some period and vintage prints. But the main use for this room, apart from in winter when you may want to snuggle down in here with a log burner, is to come and watch a selection of DVDs and films on the large flat screen. There's 3 sofas in here, seating up to a dozen people at a push. And we've provided a lovely selection of family-friendly DVDs for you to enjoy if the weather's just not up to you enjoying the outside. But this again has beautiful aspects over the garden. We're going to do a little bit at the end of this tour. We will show you around the garden here that you can get to enjoy. Completely enclosed, family and pet friendly. And there's a large gravel area now being placed on the back of the cottage for dining outside, with patio furniture provided for you. A barbecue out there as well, and some sun loungers to enjoy the Blakeney sunshine, which unusually this morning we're missing a little bit overcast when we're filming this. Now the downstairs bedrooms, we've got 2 bedrooms on the ground floor here, both large double beds. We're going through into the back bedroom first off. As you can see, painted furniture, double bed with bedsides and lights. We've also got a seating area in here and another TV just tucked into that cabinet there, and this provides a comfortable seating area or reading area for members of the family just wanting to watch something that everybody else maybe doesn't want to. So everything's been thought of here. We've got wardrobe storage in this corner, and again, lovely feature of this bedroom is that it overlooks this fantastic little courtyard we showed you from the kitchen. Really nice feature that. In summer you can open those French windows and just have the morning air and have a drink of coffee maybe out on the patio there. Bit unusual this, isn't it? Off this bedroom there is a secondary utility area with washing machine, tumble dryer, and the cupboard in the corner has the connection for all the electrics in there if you need to reach the fuse cupboard. It's really a boot room. We've got 5 high chairs around the house for use by guests. Laundry area here. There is a drying line out on the courtyard area just beyond, and some spare bits and bobs in here for housekeeping. So a little bit of a quirky feature, this utility area off here. We didn't really want to use too much of the kitchen space, and when you're on holiday you really don't want a washing machine going when you're trying to entertain friends or family in the kitchen area, so we thought we'd tuck them away. This is one of my favourite of the bedrooms here at Gardeners, the 4-poster bedroom done in lovely period mahogany finish with a nice headboard, king size bed, twin bedsides, lamps, and this is an ensuite bedroom as well. So we come through here and you're straight into a downstairs walk-in shower cubicle in the corner, heated towel rail, underfloor heating, and also a lovely, I think that is a cast iron period piece with its lion claw feet on it. This bathroom's decorated on a Peter Scott theme with Norfolk, Suffolk scenes really, aren't they, from Slimbridge, and those mountains aren't anywhere around here at all, to be absolutely honest. That one could be Norfolk. But anyway, ornithologically themed sand dunes to make you feel and remember that you are on the coast here. Partly boarded this room, which is a really nice feature in this painted matchboard to match the bath base. Lovely bedroom this. You do have a TV in the corner as well, and this period piece of furniture is one of my favourites as well. It's actually a writing cabinet hidden into the top drawer, wardrobe on the top and a couple of drawers at the base. Just let me show you that, because it is an absolutely fantastic piece. Just look at the fittings in there. Quality piece of Victoriana, that. Lovely, in nice condition as well, really nice. And then in addition to the ensuite toilet that we've shown you off this bedroom, coming back through into the first of the bedrooms we've shown you off this corridor is the family bathroom and toilet here, with a low-level bath, wash basin, high-level toilet in a nautical theme again with starfish, part boarded again with privacy blinds, again with a little window overlooking that courtyard. So that completes the downstairs here at Gardeners. Looking back now towards the garden and the kitchen, I'm going to make my way back along the corridor towards the front door and then go upstairs and show you the upstairs next. We're at the top of the stairs now, and we've got 3 bedrooms to show you up here. We're going to start in the smallest. This is a bedroom that overlooks the garden, faces due south. There's the garden. We look down onto that patio area. You see how private this walled garden is. We've got a wall to our left, high fencing with trees planted behind us, and there's hardly any buildings overlooking the actual garden. This bedroom's got a double bed tucked around into this corner. Mirror. Doesn't have a wardrobe, but we do have a hanging rail in this bedroom. Some storage cupboard and a single bed in here, making it an option if you've got very young children to give them the option for the first night at least to sleep in with mum and dad, just to get their feel for this house. And then through into the back bedroom. Just look at that bed. Again, I think late Victorian, painted pine. It's a proper old piece, this. The mattress top is actually around 3 foot off the ground. It's a whopping great big king-size bed. Twin bedsides with storage. Lovely old period trunk there. I think that's still full with kids' toys for them to play. And this is what we call the family room. So again, we've got the option of additional 2 single beds tucked back in the entrance to this bedroom. So again, up to an adult and 2 children can sleep in here. There's a wardrobe area hidden in that little compartment. If I make my way back along here, we make our way to the upstairs shared bathroom for those 2 bedrooms. Again, a low-level bath. This one's got a shower over it and a shower screen, so this can be used for showering. It's got a toilet and wash basin in here as well, again with heated towel rails and underfloor heating. All the upstairs floors here are engineered oak. We've got a little landing at the top of the stairs which overlooks the car park on the High Street. That's Blakeney High Street, just over there. You can see get some feel for the position of Gardeners. It's tucked right in the heart of Blakeney here on the North Norfolk coast. And when you park your car outside, you can walk to absolutely every facility in the village of Blakeney. All the pubs and restaurants are in very close proximity to this cottage. This is the larger of the upstairs bedrooms and our favourite. We call it the French bedroom for obvious reasons. The upholstered antique French bed, the period painting, the old painting on the wall that just reminds us of French cafe style and life. And again, the long view down the corridor looking back towards the other upstairs parts of Gardeners Cottage. And a little surprise secret on this bedroom, tucked behind the door where I've just come in, is another whole ensuite bathroom. Again with pedestal footed bath, wash basin, low level toilet and a walk-in shower in the corner. So everything that you could possibly want for a stay here in the heart of Blakeney. Facility wise, we hope we've thought of everything. This started its transition into a holiday let as being our second home when we used to live in Nottinghamshire in England, and we'd come here every weekend. The house was actually built around 1964, mid-60s, and the renovations that we undertook on it took 2007 to 2017, I think, was the last major build we've done here. And since then, we've moved our family to Norfolk, and this has now become an occasional weekend retreat for us. It tends to be a little bit of a working holiday, and the rest of the time this cottage is available to rent through the Blakeney Cottage Company. So we'll put links in the description to all of those facilities and the letting agent. And if you'd love to come and stay with us at Blakeney, we'd absolutely love to see and welcome you here to Gardeners Cottage. Thanks for watching.